In this video, I will show you how to import fonts in Picsart. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on Picsart. Now I've just got this basic design loaded through. So what I'm going to do first is add some text. So I'm going to come over to the menu on the left hand side, click onto the text icon. Then what I'm going to do is press the purple add text button to add some text to my design. So here is our text. So I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to change the size at the top. And what I'm going to do is also change the color as well, just make it easier to see. So here is our text, and I'm just going to change this so it says hello, and here is our text ready to go. Now by default there are a lot of pre-installed fonts with Picsart, so to go ahead and change the font, what you can do is come up to the top to the toolbar. You can see the option here for fonts. So if we actually click onto this, and what it's going to do is load up a list of available fonts on the left hand side. So you can click onto any of these to go ahead and change the font, just like so. Now to go ahead and actually import your own fonts into Picsart, what you're going to want to do is come over to this menu on the left hand side, and you want to go ahead and click onto the upload button just up here. Then what you can do is upload your own fonts. So a good site to get fonts from is called davfonts.com. So it actually looks like this, and what you can do is download a ton of different fonts from here. So for example, we're going to go for this one, American Years. If you look to the right hand side, you're going to see the download button, so we can click on this to download it. Once that's downloaded, you want to actually open up the folder. So you just want to go ahead, locate the folder in your downloads folder, and you can see the font here. So this one is called an OTT file, and what you're going to want to do is basically double click onto this. And here is our file here. All you want to do is press the install button after double clicking, so you can see the install button here. So you just want to go ahead, press install. And once that's done, what you can do is drag this out of the folder. And what I'm going to do is actually just put this onto my desktop, so it's easy for me to find. So here is our font ready to go. Now, once that's done, you want to come back into Picsart. And what you want to do now is come back to the upload section. You want to make sure you're on fonts. So if you look at the top, you've got images, videos, and fonts. So you want to press the purple upload button when you're clicked onto fonts. That's going to take you to your file explorer. And from here, you want to locate where you saved your font. So for ourselves, of course, that was on my desktop. So I'm going to click onto desktop and then locate the font on here. So here is our font here. So now what I'm going to do is double click to upload this. And as you can see, here is our uploaded font. So with the text selected, if I now go ahead and click onto this, you can see this is going to change the font, and that is how to go ahead and import fonts into Picsart. So with that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.